Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable DaVinci Resolve power windows for targeted corrections. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and start a new project. Import your footage by dragging it into the media pool. Drag your clip onto the timeline to begin editing. Select the clip you want to work on. Navigate to the color workspace by clicking on the color tab at the bottom. In the color workspace, locate the panel on the right for the color wheels. Find the Power Windows icon, which looks like a small rectangle with a circle. Click on the Power Windows icon to reveal the different shapes available. Choose the shape that best suits your needs, such as a circle, square, or custom shape. Click and drag your chosen shape onto the viewer to position it over the area you want to correct. Adjust the size and shape of the window by dragging the corners or edges. If needed, use the softness slider to create a feathered edge for a smoother transition. With the power window selected, switch to the color wheels panel to adjust the desired color corrections. Make adjustments using the lift, gamma, and gain controls to enhance your targeted area. You can add multiple power windows by following the same steps, allowing for multiple adjustments in one clip. To view all power windows, click on the overview icon in the Power Windows panel. You can toggle each window on and off to compare your corrections. Once satisfied with your adjustments, navigate to the Deliver workspace to export your project. Review the final changes in the viewer and ensure everything blends seamlessly. Now, you are ready to apply targeted corrections using Power Windows in DaVinci Resolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.